Right. Number 5. What did the teacher say? What did they say they need? What did they say they wanted, right? Not everything they want is the best for the school, is the best for them. But what did they say? Did you ask them? In a previous session, I told the story of my wife in the kitchen. I thought I was helping her. I thought I was putting away the dishes, and she was getting mad. And I said, what are you getting mad for? I'm helping you. And she said, you never even asked me. Ask me, how can I help you? Right? So ask the teachers, what was their input? You can't just have targeted teacher learning and support without asking them. You might see this shiny new program out there and you love it and it's going to raise your test scores and blah, 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 blah. You might see all of that and then say, hey, we're doing this. That's not maybe what they need. That's not maybe the best course of action for you and your school. You gotta ask the teachers what was their input. And again, you don't ask them on June 15th. You ask these questions in January, in February, in March, as you're building towards the end of the year. You're growing, right? What are we going to focus on next year? What are some things that we need to have for you? And you do those in a variety of ways. What are some ways you can do those, right? Faculty meeting conversations, department meeting conversations. I love